Hello, Florida homeowners. Are you sick and tired of spending too much money in your electric bill, and do you have a meter outside your home that looks like this? Well, you can get paid today switching to solar at zero cost out of pocket. Yes, zero cost out of pocket. Once your solar panels are installed, your meter will begin to run backwards and you'll receive a credit on your electric bill. So, you won't have an electric bill anymore. If that sounds great to you and you're ready to save hundreds of dollars every month, then click the link in the video now. This program is expiring soon as it's been sponsored by government tax incentives, which means if your home qualifies for solar, then you'll be paid thousands of dollars back on your tax return. All you gotta do is click the link in this video. We'll open a separate window and ask you a few questions to see if your home qualifies, as all homes don't qualify. But lucky for you, if you're seeing this, you most likely will. So let's find out and click that link.